Here are some suggestions for setting grammar and spell check options in Microsoft Word. I'm using Word 2016, but the steps that I'm about to show you are similar in earlier versions of Word. So you'll begin by clicking on the File tab in Word up here in the top left-hand corner. And when you do that, it opens up this screen. Down here at the bottom left, you'll see a link for options. So you'll go ahead and click on that. Then when this dialog box opens, you'll go ahead and click on proofing. The first thing I recommend you do is uncheck this box, ignore words in uppercase. By default, this box is checked, but keeping it checked means that Word is going to skip over anything that you type in all caps when it does spell check. And this could be an issue if you incorrectly spell words in a title, for example, the title of a paper. So I recommend you uncheck this box, and then Word will spell check words typed in all caps. Another decision to make is whether to keep these boxes checked, check spelling as you type, and mark grammar errors as you type. If you keep them checked, as I do, then Word will flag misspelled words with red wavy lines and phrases with grammar errors with green wavy lines. The last thing to decide is down here next to writing style, whether to select just grammar or grammar and more. And I recommend choosing grammar and more because if you click on the settings button, down below grammar, which Word is checking for me, all of these issues, down below here, you can also see there are sections for clarity and conciseness, inclusive language, vocabulary choice, etc. And you can decide to what degree you want Word to check all of these various issues. Some you may not want to check, for example, passive voice, because when I use passive voice, I'm consciously using it and I want to use it. Therefore, I don't want Word nagging me about the fact that I've chosen to use passive voice. So I would just spend a little bit of time deciding what you want Word to check and what you don't want it to check as you're setting up your grammar check options.